I know.
It's like pouring and it's so wet. Oh.
Hey, I don't think
That's okay. It's like super fine.
oh my god, it's more rain.
I know. I love it.
I love the rain. I'm gonna go play in traffic.
There's no traffic in Trenton. There's no traffic in Trenton.
Shut up, get off the road. Ashley, get back here. I'll be responsible if you get hit.
I'm not supposed to play in traffic if there's no traffic.
I love when you read those.
Look, there's traffic. Look, there's traffic. Oh god.
Okay. Oh, I know what we didn't do yet. Fall the rain after the line.
Mary Poppins.
No. Oh yeah.
Woo!
This is fun. I never did this in 2 years.
I know.
Like one day I went out. I was
Maybe
at
me and
school.
you would
I
do
rolled
it.
around public property. Look how soaked I am.
I know. I'm so too.
Oh,
Beautiful thing.
not really.
Are you supposed to sit here?
No, it's just.
Hey, Sandy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love the rain. Don't you?
Yeah, I love the rain.
I'm retarded.
I'm very soaked after I go shower.
Ready? High five.
I didn't even know that guy.